Hello students, good morning. Now we have to start our second chapter. The second chapter is fraction and decimals. Okay. From today we start our second lesson, fraction and decimal. First of all, we see some basic concept. First of all, we have to learn what is meant by proper fraction. Proper fraction means in proper fraction the numerator is less than denominator. The numerator is less than denominator. Okay, in proper fraction numerator is less than denominator. For example, 2 by 7 is a proper fraction because numerator is less than denominator. 3 by 10 is also a proper fraction because numerator is less than denominator. Okay? After that, we have to see improper fraction. Improper fraction. In improper fraction, the numerator is greater than denominator. Okay, in improper fraction, numerator is greater than denominator. For example, 20 by 7. If you observe, numerator is greater than denominator. 19 by 4. This is also a improper fraction. Why? Because numerator is greater than denominator. After proper fraction and improper fraction, third type of fraction is mixed fraction. Mixed fraction. Mixed fraction is combination of whole number. It is the combination of whole number and proper fraction. Okay? Mixed fraction is a combination of whole number and proper fraction. Take example, 2 integer 1 by 3. It is a mixed fraction. Also you can take one example, 7 integer 2 by 9. It is also a improper fraction. It is a combination of whole number and proper fraction. I hope you understand what is meant by proper fraction, what is meant by improper fraction, and what is meant by mixed fraction. After that, we have to start our first exercise number 2.1. Okay, we start it. Now students, we have to start our first exercise of second lesson 2.1. First question. Solve. First question is 2 minus 3 by 5. Now these 2 minus 3 by 5, these 2 can be written as 2 divided by 1. After that we can make here cross multiplication. Make cross multiplication. 5 into 2, 10. 1 into minus 3, divide by 1 into 5, 5. Make calculation in numerator, 10 minus 3, 7, divided by 5. Okay, answer of first question is 7 divided by 5. We can write it in a mixed fraction form as 1 integer 2 by 5. Okay, you can write that in mixed fraction form, one integer 2 by 5. Second question, 4 plus 7 by 8. 4 can be written as 4 divided by 1 plus 7 by 8. Again, make cross multiplication. 4 into 8, 32 plus 1 into 7, 7 divided by 8. 1 into 8, 8. Make addition in numerator. 32 plus 7, 39 divided by 8. Now we can represent 39 by 8 in mixed fraction form. Divide 39 by 8. 8 4 are 32. 39 minus 32, 7. So it can be written as in mixed fraction form 4 integer 7 by 8. Okay? After that, question number 3rd. Question number 3rd is 3 by 5 plus 2 by 7. Directly we can make here cross multiplication. Make cross multiplication. 7 into 3, 21. Plus 5 into 2, 10 divided by 5 into 7, 35. Make calculation in numerator. 21 plus 10, 31 divided by 35. That is the final answer. We can't make it as a mixed fraction form. We cannot express it in a mixed fraction form. So final answer of third question is 31 divided by 35. Okay? I hope you understand first 3 questions. Now we take question number 4. Question number 4 is 9 by 11 minus 4 by 50. 9 by 11 minus 4 by 50. Now here we can make the cross multiplication easily. 15 9 135. 11 into minus 4 minus 44 divided by 15 into 11. 15 into 11, 165. Equals to, make calculation, 135 minus 44, that is equals to 91 divided by 165. So answer of question number 4 is 91 by 165. After that, question number 5. Question number 5 is 7 by 10 plus 2 by 5 plus 3 by 2. Now here we can simplify this question by taking LCM. If we take LCM equal to 10, okay, multiply by 10 to each fraction. If we multiply to the first fraction, then 10 cancel, it will be 7. 2 by 5 multiplied by 10. 5 under 5, 5 to the 10, 2 into 2, 4. Plus, third fraction is 3 by 2. Multiplied by 10, 2 under 2, 2, 5 are 10. 3 into 5, 15. Make calculation, 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 15. 11 plus 15. 26. Divided by 10. Simple form of 26 by 10. 13 by 5. And we can express 13 by 5 in mixed fraction form. Divide 13 by 5. 5 to the 10. 3 is the remainder. So it can be written as 2 integer 3 by 5. Now check any difficulty in question number 4 and 5. Now we have to see remaining questions. Now student, question number 6. Question number 6 is 2 integer 2 by 3 plus 3 integer 1 by 2. Now 2 integer 2 by 3, 3 into 2 6, 6 plus 2 8 by 3 plus second mixed fraction can be written as 2 into 3 6, 6 plus 1 7 divided by 2. Now here we can make cross multiplication. 8 into 2 16, 3 into 7 21 divided by 3 into 2 6. Make the sum in numerator. 6 plus 1 7, 1 plus 2 3 divided by 6. 37 by 6 can be written in mixed fraction form. How? Divide 37 by 6. 6 6 are 36. Remainder 1. So it can be written as in mixed fraction form 6 integer 1 by 6. Okay? Very easy question. After that, question number 7, last question. 8 integer 1 by 2 minus 3 integer 5 by 8. Now simplify it. 2 into 8 16, 16 plus 1 17 divided by 2 minus 8 into 3 24, 24 plus 5 29 by 8. Here you can take LCM 8. If we take LCM 8, then first fraction is 17 by 2, second fraction is 29 by 8. Multiply both fraction by LCM. 2 1 are 2, 2 4 are 8. Okay? And 17 4 are 68. 17 4 are 68 minus 8 cancel 29. Make the subtraction 68 minus 29, that is equals to 39 divided by 8. 39 by 8 can be represented in mixed fraction form. Divide 39 by 8. 8 4 are 32. Yes, 39 minus 32 7. So it can be written as final answer is 4 integer 7 by 8. Okay? Here we complete the first question of exercise number 2.1. I hope you understand. Very easy questions to simplify. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.